Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited today, y'all. For one reason, I'm gonna share that with y'all in a minute. Even though the devil tried to steal my morning, I was supposed to get all dolled up, start the vlog and all and everything, y'all. I had an appointment for Kai this morning at 10:30. So I woke up rushing out for that, right? Got to the appointment. They're going to tell me my appointment was yesterday. And it wasn't on my end. It was on their end. Because the person I spoke to on the phone said Saturday at 10:30. And she accidentally put it in for Friday at 10:30. So I was going to go to the appointment, come back, you know, fix my wig, get my makeup did, and do a little vloggy vlog with y'all today. Like, spend a day with me. I'm still doing it, obviously. I just didn't get to get dolled up and all, but some point today, hopefully, I don't know where the day goes. Just spend the day with me and we'll see. I'm not going to make any plans and just be disappointed, okay? And make any promises that I might not be able to keep. But anyway, last night I came to Target and I was passing Starbucks and I looked up and I saw period.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City.
Alright, y'all, let's do a taste test. Just like I remembered. Just like I remembered. So the order is a pumpkin spice latte with pumpkin cold foam, and I add extra caramel drizzle. You don't have to. With or without the drizzle, it's a hit. I am getting ready to go on the road. I have some errands to run. Work started back up for me 2 weeks now. Last week was our first week with our students. The previous week I got COVID, so I was kind of out for PD, and I kind of left it till that week to like buy clothes for work and do everything. At the end of the school year last year, I thought that I was gonna like come back a new woman, so I kind of got rid of a lot of my work clothes, and by right, because I hate when my clothes start looking like washed out and stuff like that. So I basically like purged my closet a lot, and I got rid of a lot of my work clothes. So now we struggling. So I'm about to go on the road. The priority today is shoes, specifically flats, and if we can find a little chunky heel that I can walk in throughout the school day as well, black specifically, because I already have a tan one. So if I can find a black one, I can do that. But we're going to the mall. I'm not going all the places to the mall. Primark is just affordable and they got everything. So hopefully my best bet today is hopefully I can find something at Primark. So I just got dressed. I'm gonna give y'all OOTD. I have one dilemma though, and I need to find a bag on the road today maybe. And I have these jeans from Fashion Nova that I cut because they were too long. I got my Nike sneakers on. I'm trying to get more into sneakers. I got my favorite Old Navy tops, y'all know, and I just accessorized with some gold jewelry. I thought about wearing my hair down, but I've been loving this style that I saw on TikTok, how to like keep your hair up with the clip and everything, and I was just like, yeah, that's my style. Here's the dilemma. You see the gold on the bag? And I have silver on, and I have other black bags, but they're so tiny. This one is tiny, but it works. The other ones are just like stuff that I could pull right here. This is the style that I want to go for. Like, I want to be able to put the bag over and boom, right? And I want it a little bit longer, maybe like right here, down here. But the goal is throwing it off, but I think I'm just gonna make it work either way. And if I can find something on the road, I'll switch my bag. Scent of the day, I'm going with my Valentino. I need to re-up. Like, I love this perfume so much. Okay, and I'm gonna mix that with my Burberry Her just to top it off. I like how both of them smells together, and we're ready to go. Hey y'all, so first stop is Starbucks. Pumpkin spice! Y'all, if you know, you know. I'm a pumpkin spice girly. Like, I'm so excited for this season. I've been waiting since last January. I've been waiting since January. And we're back. And we're better. Oh. And I also got a banana loaf. I haven't eaten all day. And it's 3:37. so I just got this. I'm about to head to the mall now. One thing about this mall, y'all, parking is a beast. Like, you can never find parking closer to like the mall. You gotta park like in East Bubblefuck.
My money, my body, now your own. I love you. My money, my body, now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account,
I left Primark. I wanted to go in H&M, but it was so packed at the mall. I was just like, yeah, let me get these shoes and leave because it was too much going on. And let me tell you how I wanted a cashier, right? So I was next in line, and it was a bunch of them. So I guess the girl said next in line, but I did not hear her. She probably was just speaking like regular. And of course, you're in the store, music is playing, people are talking. So the guy next to her was like, next in line. So I heard him and I walked up, and everybody was talking about like, oh, I'm not raising my voice, da da da. I'm just like, y'all, don't get me started. Like, I hate when people despise their job so much that they're just blatantly talking about it in front of the customers. Like, come on, be professional. I don't care what type of job you're in, be professional. Like, all ghetto. Like, I hate that for them. But anyway, I did buy this bag because I told y'all like I wanted the silver detail of it, and it's big enough. So I'm gonna swap out my stuff from my little bag, even though I'm not really going anywhere for the rest of the day. I'm just gonna run in Target. I was supposed to go to TJ Maxx and do a return. I had bought some work pants, and I didn't feel like trying them on in the store, so I just bought stuff, tried them on at home, tried on the ones that I liked, and the ones that I didn't like I'm bringing back. So that's that. So I'm just gonna swap my stuff out. I didn't walk with much today. My car keys, my AirPods, my lip gloss, and an extra battery for my camera. That's it. Thank God for Apple Pay. I be going around so light lately. But yeah, so swapped it out. It's good. I should put all that. It's nice for what it is. Ouch. I don't think I told y'all, but I bought the drill off Amazon yesterday because I was just like, I didn't make it to the nail salon to do my nails, and I know I didn't want to go back to work with my nails looking like they're looking all busty. I was pointing at this kiss paper the other day, and I was like, yeah, no, let me take my finger up off this boy paper. I had bought acetone first, right? So I was trying to do the acetone trick. It wasn't working. Went on TikTok. They were like, oh, put warm water below the acetone. That didn't work. So I got the drill, and look at what I did to my nails, y'all. They hurt so bad. I must have turned the drill up too high, but you see how my nails are red? Like, I can't use hot water. They burn. This morning I had my hand over the stove. It burns. Like, it literally, and I keep hitting them, and they hurt so bad. Like, they're thin. Like, I keep driving, and I have to put my nails to like the vents because my hand, they're like literally on fire. So hopefully in a few days they will like stop hurting. But I buffed them down real thin. I thought about putting press-ons on, but I feel like that's gonna make it worse. I'm just let them air out and make it do what they do. But it's just hard because I be forgetting and I be using my hands and they hurt really bad. The good thing is my right hand is honestly not a good thing because I use my right hand, and that's the hand that hurt the most. My left hand isn't that bad, but they hurt too. But at least one hand isn't that bad. But this burns. But enough talking. We're going to Target. I don't really have any more plans for the rest of the day. I just have to run in Target, grab something, and then go home. I have to prep work clothes for tonight. for the week. I want to get, one thing that I want to do this school year is like know what I'm wearing Monday through Friday and like iron them and just have them laid out already for me, so I don't have to like think too much during the week. Yeah, it's just a matter of getting up, taking a shower, getting dressed for work. I'm not thinking too hard, so I'm gonna plan out my outfits for tonight. I'm gonna plan out my outfits for the week tonight. So I'm gonna catch y'all in the next clip, and yeah.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, don't say it 'cause I know I'm cute. Louis down to my drawers, LV all on my shoes. I be dripping so much sauce, got a bit looking like Grey Goose. Lit up like a crystal ball, that's cool, baby, so is you, that's how I roll. Shining, everybody gonna shine. I would want like you don't even gotta try.
Hey y'all, good morning. So it's the next day. I just got to work, got set up, everything. We have to put our list of plans outside by 8 o'clock, so I did. Y'all saw me do that. I updated my agenda board. I printed out my roster. I usually have a tracker for all my classes, the same tracker I've been using forever, but I haven't made them yet just because in the first like 2 weeks of school, classes are changing. Today I got a kid, tomorrow I don't have that kid. Today I got a new kid, like it's just all over the place. So I don't really make my tracker until like maybe 2 or 3 weeks into the school year. So I've just been using the ready-made tracker. Well, it's not tracker. I've just been using the ready-made class roster off our system, and that's what I print out, and that's what I use to take attendance and jot grades down. And then probably by next week or so, this week I'm gonna start working on my trackers, and probably by next week or so I'll have my trackers done, so I can start using that. And I print these every morning because they change daily, and I can print this today in the morning, and by next period it changes. So I'm just very like vigilant about that because I don't want to have a roster, the kids' names aren't on there, and I'm like, you're not in this class, and they're like, my schedule says this. So yeah, they're about to come up now, and it's a new school year, so y'all know I don't tussle with my business. Like, they don't need to be in my business. So I'm gonna check y'all a little bit later when I have a little bit more time. I kind of got in later than I wanted to today, so I don't have a lot of time, but everything is prepped. I prepped everything since Friday. It's just a matter of putting them in the order that I wanted them to be. But yeah, good morning. Hey y'all, today drained me. I'm so tired. But the day is over. It is, I don't even know what time. I don't be using my phone throughout the school day. I'll be having all these notifications at the end. It's 3:08. School just got out 8 minutes ago, but we have to like clear the hallways and stuff. I am exhausted, but in a good way. I feel like last year I was exhausted because I was dealing with a lot of behavioral stuff. This year it's not that. I think the class periods are just cut shorter now, and I only have one prep. I think the average teacher has about like 2 preps, and I only have one. And that's just because my periods are double blocked, so I just get 1 prep versus 2. I envy the teachers with 2 preps. I remember like 2 years ago I had 3 preps. I was in heaven. Last year I started out with 2 preps, and I got cut 1, and now I only have 1 prep. So it's exhausting. Like, I feel like my day just, as soon as I sit down doing my prep to plan, it just goes. And today, every Monday I have a meeting during my prep, so I had no breaks today except for lunchtime, and that went by so fast because then I had to use my lunch to like get stuff done. A mess, child. But it's 3:10. I'm done. I'm just gonna set everything up for tomorrow. I like to prep everything before I leave because I don't got time rushing and doing the most in the morning. So my lesson is already done for tomorrow, but why can't I find it? Oh, it's right here, nice and ready. So if you're curious, tomorrow we're doing sequences. So yeah, that's what we're doing tomorrow. I'm excited for this lesson. And that's that. I should stick around a little bit and prep for like the rest of the week, but I don't feel like it. I feel like I just need to come in earlier tomorrow and just like do that. And every time I say that, I laugh at myself because that's not going to happen either, but we move. I'm ready to go. I didn't drive today. Shav has my car, so I'm gonna call my mom because she's off to pick me up. And I need to pick her up her. I'm gonna go to Starbucks to get pumpkin spice. But I'm gonna check y'all later. My camera is smoking. Come here. I'm gonna check y'all a little bit later. My camera is dying.